welcome back to the channel. This is Stephsgotit, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of something that is long overdue. Alright, so I have ordered a kit from Dipwell. So we're going to dip into this bad boy and see what we have. So let's get set up on the product. Hold that thought. Alright, so let's rip this bad boy open and see what we have. I forgot to bring the, I don't know what I did with my box opener. So let's hope I can rip this open. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Let's see, this is the packing slip, and it basically just gives what I ordered and my number. So we'll put that aside for a second. So as you can see, I clearly need this system. So let's open it up. This is the large box, I believe. Yes, it's the pick your six bundle. It was the biggest bundle that they had, and it has everything you need to get started. I didn't want to mix it with some other products because this stuff here is from that Kiss kit that you can buy from Walmart, and it was not holding up well, and I'd had it for a minute. So let's see, there we go. Dip it real good. But first, let me take a nail selfie. Share and tag your Manny with us. That's cute. A nailfie, not a selfie, a nailfie. That's cute. I like, and this box is so strong and good. It's going to be a good storage box or a reusable box later. Okay, so we have a packet of files and a cuticle pusher stick. And looks like a buffer, a file and a buffer, or, well, let's just open it up, duh. Let's not guess, let's open it up. Oh, I got it wrapped up good. Alright, here we go. So they're actually two different grits of file. Like this is a coarser grit, and this is a finer grit. So that's cool. So you get two grinders, filers, kind of like sandpaper, but a lot softer, and one cuticle stick. Okay, so put that right there. You get a manual, tells you how to color dip. They're all pretty much the same, but I always read the instructions just in case one has a little difference than the other. It actually gives you instructions for how to do a French dip as well. So that would be cool. You can get more types out of it. And this is all of their colors. Guys, that's a lot of colors. I am super excited. It also gives you instructions on how to remove them. So that will be good, but I am super excited by the fact that they have so many colors. And if you follow them on Instagram, you can see how they teach you how to do other designs with the nails, like marble looks and things like that. So I'm going to be experimenting with all of that because I hate just a flat dull color. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. All right, so we have that. That there. And let's see what we have here. What is this? I can't pick it up. This is a temperature pro tips. Oh, it tells you what temperature to store your stuff at. I'm assuming that's what that is. Alright, so we have that. Now, as far as our liquids, we have 1 our bond. And number 2, the steps, the numbers are written on the product, so you know what order to use them in. There's a base. So you've got bond, base, activator, and sealer. Okay, so those are the 4 that will get the job done, will get your nails done for you. 1, you follow them in that step. This is just a brush cleaner, and I think I ordered this. Oh no, I ordered this box so that I could get this. A brush softener, because sometimes the dip, as you're applying one of these on top of the dip, sometimes it will make a hard ball on the tip of your brush. So this stuff is supposed to be able to soften that. I didn't find the one in Kiss to be very useful at doing that job very well, so I'm hoping that this does much better. Now let's see what 6 colors I chose. You get to choose your 6 colors or 3 colors. Like I said, I got the biggest kit because I wanted more choices and I wanted all of these liquids. We make nail goals happen, so let's hope so. The first color is CL04, and you can see from the bottom that's kind of a blue, which isn't really a favorite color, but ooh, that's pretty. And it's a darker blue than it appears on the screen, at least the way I'm looking at the screen. So we got that. Then we have CL07. And that's a pink. It's darker than that, than what it looks on the screen. Or at least what it looks on my monitor as I'm watching this to make sure it stays in frame. And this CL66. CL66. It looks like CL, but that actually looks like a 7. Anyway, let's see this one. Oh, I wonder if that was already open. Anyway, there's the color. It's a yellow. It's a very bright. That's the true color right there. Okay. And look how big these jars are. This is 1 ounce, 28 grams. That is huge. Usually you get these tiny little jars when you get the Kiss packages from Walmart or whatever store you buy them from. Let's see if, no, that one didn't have it. I was trying to see if they all had the color right there at the top. All right, and then this is CL46. I guess that one was open as well. It is a, it's a lighter blue than that one. Interesting. I don't know why I did that. Oh, maybe it's a green. Maybe it's a green, like a soft green. I don't like pastel colors, so I hope that darkens up when you put it on. This is CL57. And yes, baby, that's a dark orange, and it kind of shimmers almost. It's really pretty. Okay. And the last one, this was not what I really wanted. On the website, it was suggested that you get the base and finisher powder. I didn't want to waste a color choice because this counts as one of your color choices. It is not automatically in the box, so you give up a color in order to get this, and I was really bummed about that, but I wanted to give it every opportunity to work perfectly well so that I know that my review will be a good review, a thorough and good review. So we'll see what that is for, how you use that. And there you go. Those are my 6 choices. I am super excited to use them. And for now, I'm going to store them in this box because this box is very sturdy and pretty good. I mean, this bad boy is strong. And since I don't have any other colors right now, I will be ordering more colors, as I was going to buy more of the Kiss ones anyway. So I still have a couple of shades of the Kiss ones left, and I probably will eventually mix them together because I don't have any more liquid for the Kiss, but we will see. I know it's always suggested not to mix, but I think that's more just so they keep you dedicated to one brand, not this particular brand, but I mean all brands do that. Don't mix with another brand because they want you to stay with their brand. So we're possibly going to use what's left. I won't buy any Kiss products to use with this, but I will use what I have left with this system. So I can get everything in this box, looks like, back in there rather, and then we're going to put that on top. Okay, yeah. So that is my Dipwell box. I'm not going to do my nails right this moment because I have some other things I need to do, but I'm going to do my nails, and when I do, I will add that to this video. If it's after this video is loaded, then I will shoot another video and post it up. But that's what you get in the box. So for an unboxing, we're done. That's it. I can't close this with this pointed that direction. Also, if you're wondering how much this kit cost me, again, this was the build your own kit where you get to pick 6 colors, and it was $69.97. And oh, I used a coupon code, but it looks like I did not get the discount, or at least they didn't list it on here, but I was pretty sure that my account was only charged $59.97. The shipping was free also, so that was why I wasn't biting the price too much, because the shipping was free. I'll have to double check my account to make sure they gave me the discount with the code that I used. Alright, hun, that's it. With that being said, if you are not a subscriber, may I ask you to click that subscribe button down below, and also click the little notification bell so that you can be notified anytime that I upload a video to this channel. Alright, huns, remember, if you are having a good day, help someone else have a good day. It's the small and simple things in life that makes life worth living. Love and shimmies, babe.